The heat map confirms significant stress concentration at the wing root.
Yes, the localized fatigue is consistent with the undocumented repair data.
Okay, clear on the engine mountings. No corrosion visible.
Confirmed. Logging bulkhead status as green.
Instrumental. The fatigue scores here are critical. We cannot proceed with process B.
Product A.
Check the ballistic pass.
Clear. Initiating handle pull.
Cable tension steady. Looks good for storage.
The current wiring infrastructure is insufficient for the new digital cockpit's power demands. We must schedule complete replacement during process B.
We're showing a rapid drop in fluid levels. Extraction is nearly complete.
Confirmed. The tanks are officially inert.
Careful with that harness, it's brittle.
Almost clear. The structure underneath is pristine.
Using micron-level accuracy, the robotic system restores the metal integrity, essential for Process A.
Torque is set on this side.
Confirmed. The fuselage is perfectly stable.
The digital readout confirms the alignment is within tolerance, certifying the structural integrity of this critical interface point.
Torque sequence complete on hinge point 4.
Confirmed. Data matches Process A specifications.
Secure that section before we move to the rear bay.
Copy that. The fit is tight here.
All systems are nominal. The actuator response is well within the required parameters.
Process A certification complete.
The sealant ensures aerodynamic smoothness and prevents moisture ingress, contributing to the final surface quality.
Initiating cycle test. Gear up
Sequence is nominal.
and down. All parameters green. Process A complete.
All external seams and rivets confirmed.
Readings are stable, no anomalies detected.
Internal structure is secure.
The stamp verifies the airframe has passed all structural integrity tests, completing Process A. It is then sealed.
The readings look good. No contaminants detected.
Confirmed. Process A certification complete.
Workflow timeline is confirmed for the avionics installation.
Understood. Staging is complete. Commencing robotic sequence. Okay, follow the green markers exactly.
Careful around that rib, section 4.
It's catching right here. Hold on.
Electrical continuity is confirmed.
And the input is smooth. Calibration successful.
Run the diagnostic sequence for the FATIC handshake.
Sequence complete, all parameters nominal. We have a confirmed pass on the high-speed bus.
Calibration on the altimeter is complete.
Run the diagnostics for the terrain following sensors now.
Wiring integration looks good on this side.
This system is vital for cooling the heat-sensitive digital mission computers and displays, maintaining optimal operating temperature during...
Initiating full system diagnostics, sequence B.
Flight controls validating. Data flow is nominal across all parameters.
These composite antennas are designed to minimize aerodynamic drag while maximizing signal reception for the new avionics. The final functional testing of the J-7 confirms the perfect integration of the new digital control interfaces.
The modernization kit profile is confirmed. Safe for flight testing.
All readings are nominal, sir.
This interaction highlights the core function of the Digital Cockpit Modernization Kit, providing the pilot with instantaneous control and situational awareness.